What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car antenna on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is RYDONAIR Short Antenna Compatible. RYDONAIR Short Antenna offers a compact upgrade for Chevrolet and GMC truck owners looking for a cleaner look and solid signal quality. Designed to fit all model years of Chevrolet Silverado, Colorado, Equinox, Trailblazer, Trax, Sonic, and GMC Sierra, Denali, Terrain, Yukon, this antenna blends durability and function while keeping a low profile on the vehicle. The 13-inch design provides a modern appearance, replacing the traditional long metal type often found on older models. Built with flexible rubber that handles tough weather, this antenna keeps its shape even after being bent. That makes it useful for daily driving, off-road trips, or places where garage space is limited. The base includes a real carbon fiber column, offering a sleek touch that adds a subtle style upgrade to the truck without being flashy. An internal copper coil boosts signal pickup on both amplitude modulation and frequency modulation bands. This helps support steady sound quality while driving in city areas or farther out on open roads. Users can enjoy their favorite stations without dealing with a bulky original part. Installation takes just a few seconds since no tool is required. The antenna screws directly onto the existing base, making it simple for users who want a fast replacement. This product is helpful for drivers who want to swap out their factory version without altering the vehicle or affecting other systems. With a strong structure and a focus on reliable performance, this option supports a combination of function and visual improvement for truck owners. The shorter design provides a better fit for modern lifestyles while continuing to serve the purpose of traditional radio access. In our list, the number 4 product name is Votex Universal Antenna Kit. Votex Black Short Antenna provides a low-profile solution for radio reception across a wide list of vehicles including Chevrolet Silverado, Dodge Ram, Ford Bronco, GMC Sierra, Jeep Gladiator, Toyota Tacoma, and many more. Spanning from 1980 to 2025 models, this compact option is designed for those seeking a quick upgrade without changing the original appearance of their car, truck, or sport utility vehicle. With a length of 6 3/4 inches, this antenna fits well into daily use and resists damage from automatic cleaning stations. Constructed using ethylene propylene diene monomer rubber and stainless steel threading, it offers flexibility and toughness during different weather or pressure conditions. These materials keep the antenna steady and help prevent breakage over time. Inside, a copper coil designed in Germany helps improve performance on amplitude modulation and frequency modulation bands. This gives users the ability to listen to more stations while on highways or in remote areas where signals can weaken. No additional tool is necessary during setup. It screws directly into place, offering an effortless replacement experience for drivers of any experience level. Once installed, the vehicle benefits from enhanced appearance without sacrificing function. Its structure shows careful attention from development to packaging. Built and assembled in the United States, it reflects commitment from a family-owned company with experience in vehicle accessories. The small logo ensures that it is an authentic part, confirming its place among trusted automotive gear. This antenna stands out as a reliable piece for vehicle owners interested in practicality, compact design, and steady radio connectivity. It serves as a balanced combination of performance and visual simplicity that supports everyday use. In our list, the number 3 product name is AntennaMastsRus Short Rubber Antenna. This short black antenna by AntennaMastsRus is designed for Ford F-150 and Bronco models between 2009 and 2025. It fits directly in place of factory parts including AL3Z18813A and MCP-Z18813A. With a size of 6 3/4 inches, this compact accessory blends well with the original vehicle appearance while supporting consistent performance. Made with stainless steel threading and coated in flexible ethylene propylene diene monomer rubber, the structure is resistant to wear, temperature changes, and exposure to pressure from regular automatic cleaning systems. These materials were selected to provide dependable strength during all seasons. Internally, the antenna uses a copper coil for stable radio signals. This metal provides high conductivity, helping it reach channels that less efficient antennas cannot connect to. The precise German-engineered layout helps produce clear reception on both amplitude modulation and frequency modulation stations. The installation process is designed to be easy. It uses a screw-in method that requires no special tools or expert assistance. Drivers can attach it quickly and begin using it right away with very little effort. Each antenna is created and distributed by a United States business that is family-owned and has years of experience in producing automotive parts. This allows for consistent oversight and attention to detail from beginning to end, making it a reliable option for those who value quality. This model combines trusted performance, weather-ready strength, and minimal appearance to support everyday driving needs. Its compatibility with popular Ford trucks ensures it meets both visual and functional expectations for a variety of drivers. In our list, the number 2 product name is RYDONAIR Short Antenna Compatible. This short black antenna by RYDONAIR is made for Ford F-150 from 2009 to 2025 and Ford Bronco models starting from 2021. It is designed to fit directly on the base without requiring tools, allowing quick and easy installation. The flexible rubber material helps it maintain form even after being bent or exposed to strong outdoor elements. With a length of 13 inches, this compact replacement gives a cleaner look compared to the original metal version often found on trucks. It brings a subtle upgrade to the vehicle's exterior while staying strong against daily use and changing climates. Inside, the antenna uses a copper coil for improved radio signal strength. This material helps deliver good performance when receiving frequency modulation and amplitude modulation stations. It offers a reliable option for people who drive through areas where stable reception is important. The base includes a carbon fiber finish, adding a touch of style while supporting durability. Drivers can use this accessory on both standard and performance versions of these trucks, including Super Duty and Raptor variants. This antenna is made by RYDONAIR, a company that produces accessories for popular vehicle brands. Each item is designed with practical use in mind, offering a strong mix of function and clean appearance for drivers who want to replace bulky factory parts. With its simple screw-on connection, drivers can upgrade their antenna in minutes. This option is a good match for those who value radio reception and a neat, low-profile finish without needing complicated steps or modifications to their vehicle. In our list, the number 1 product name is Mega Racer Universal Car Antenna. This 5-inch black antenna by Mega Racer offers a compact solution for people looking to change their current vehicle antenna with a simpler design. Built for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and other rides, it fits various brands including Chevrolet, Jeep, Ford, Toyota, Dodge, Ram, and Honda. Its universal design gives drivers a chance to refresh their vehicle's appearance while keeping the radio connected. With a short build, this item allows for more room when driving through tight spaces or under low barriers. Whether the vehicle is parked in a garage or passing through a car wash, the low height helps reduce contact. This makes it a popular choice for those who want to avoid bending or damaging the factory metal antenna. The design uses aluminum materials to help resist outdoor conditions such as heat, snow, and rain. That means it can stay strong and still perform in both hot and cold months. Inside the box, the antenna comes with various adapters that allow for an easy setup on different models. No extra tools are required, and most installs take only a few minutes. Mega Racer developed this product to serve truck owners and motorcyclists who want something light and simple. It pairs well with Ford F-150, Ram Classic, Sierra, Silverado, Tacoma, Tundra, and even motorcycles like the Honda Goldwing and Harley-Davidson models that support audio. This replacement is a good match for anyone who wants a short antenna that gives the vehicle a fresh look without affecting sound reception. It blends style with function and gives drivers a new choice when updating their ride.